Well, my dearest brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and we're coming from the heart of Berkeley, California. One of the greatest of universities is right here in the center of town, boasting like 40,000 students and faculty and more Nobel Prize winners than any other institution of learning. And today we are going to be making a very special ice cream, an ecstatic ice cream, and it's going to be a mango, fig, almond butter ice cream, if you can handle such a thing. So let's start off with some ecstatic mangoes. Maybe some more mangoes. And now, let us do some figs. These are California Mission figs. Okay. And now let us add some of our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter, made from almonds grown by a magnificent California farming family of 5 generations on this California earth. They came here at the turn of the previous century, and the first thing that they did was to purchase land, not to grow almonds, but to simply they purchased 20 acres simply to grow food to fill their burgeoning families. Family comes first, but of course and always. And now we'll add some frozen bananas. And with the almond butter, let us add a couple heaping tablespoons. Okay. And now how about a peeled lemon? And now let's give this a whirl. Okay. And now here we have it. mango fig almond butter ice cream. We're going to put this in the freezer for a few hours, and then it will be ready to share with our dearest brothers and sisters, friends and family. And let us go forward, brothers and sisters. In these times, we have got to embrace a diet that bespeaks life and liveliness. We've got to strengthen ourselves for the challenges ahead. There's no question whatsoever that the doomsday clock of the Bulletin of Atomic Scientists is all of 90 seconds towards midnight. Let us come to that realization. These are exceedingly dangerous times. We've got to strengthen ourselves. So let's go forward. Let us build, each one of us, plant a victory garden. Each one of us approach the city fathers and talk about creating an edible schoolyard, or that public park filled with sterile trees. Let's make it into an edible landscape. And if you're truly serious about climate change, let us talk about reforestation, because nothing stabilizes the climate more than planting acres upon acres of trees and restoring this North America as much as we can to its original, pristine, vital, efflorescent state. And that's what it's all about. That's what it comes to. Vitality at the grassroots. The greatest generation did it. They eradicated radical evil. We can follow their example, their great example. They have set such a high standard for us. So let us go forward, plant that victory garden now. You might be inspired to give us a like, and please hit the subscribe button down below. My privilege to share.